Today let's talk about importance of resource conservation. Akoina resources in conserve tobada ka warisi karigino habda. See one mark and question dagina 3 mark question ba ki hangbaya ba topic ni. Plan use of resources in order to meet the present needs and to effort for the future generations called resource conservation. Haina singna ko seasonable resources in ko hajiki dakar ba sing to fangnaba to meet the present needs and store a part for the generation is called resource conservation. Ja see sustainable development ga lumima man definition je sidana akoigi conserve tobo ko akoigi shape tobo the focus of one resource conservation is resource conservation is a part of sustainable development. Kind of Dakar, I have the point on period. Many resources are non-renewable and exhaustible. If we conserve them, we can use them for a longer period of time. Resource kaya marumasi ako'y loiba na ibang ataneba amu halaro ida bang ataneba aduna loiba na ibanina ako'y na shape toxin target ako'y na hadi kalik na season of target kuy na sang na season na Conservation of resources helps us to reduce wastage. It will help in economic progress. Koigi ina kungia di likpatamuais. Aduna koi reduce total di waste hadi wastage da waste di chat kige da ba mayam to koi na reduce total di conserve total di save total di koi save water save life kan mayam hai ising conserve to ba khotpa ga ising conserve to ba kuina sana fajan chat na ne mai do so mai je save total di akoi bill haji Manipur da prepaid ngatani thana ni che mai je save total di mai do kuina sana sakane prepaid haliba recharge tun kuina sana sakane had extra charging extra expenditure to or economic progress mateng bang national gi thak ta lak tar ga so adune noina save to tar ga di wastage han tar ga di resource conservation helps us to protect environment. Of course resource conservation to basina jog pa habisida environment protection makat mathau tai hadi ising conserve to boiler electricity conserve to boiler non environment friendly ba measure ngatane adena environment so kan bata su mateng pangi. First point jina future use akutungi damakta ko social practice ni first point si second point ni economic practice ni third point ni environment practice ni hadi resource conservation is social activity amani economic activity amani environment activity amani it's just the answer ahum ji the stories